report from our senior crime reporter Malik Mohammad Imran. Lahore police continue their indiscriminate operation against criminal elements to maintain peace in the city. The Dolphin Squad arrested a suspect Kismat involved in a mobile snatching incident after pursuing him based on a passenger trip. The suspect was rounded up near Azadi flyover. The suspect targeted passengers at the bus terminal, snatching their phones before fleeing. Shalimar police have initiated legal proceedings against the arrested suspect and are searching for his accomplice. Shalimar police found an abandoned 8-year-old boy Abdul Wahab, who after investigation was identified as being wanted in abduction case. While with the Sheikhupura police, the child was safely reunited with his parents. Dharwala police during a search operation arrested 4 suspects and recovered 3 Kalashnikov pistol, magazine, and a dozen of bullets. The suspects identified as Zafar, Zulfikar, Ihsan, and Murtaza have been taken into custody. Shalimar police promptly arrested a suspect Closer Masih for sexually assaulting a 15-year-old girl. The suspect, a neighbor of the victim, lured away from the school under false pretense and committed the crime. A case was registered and investigations are ongoing. Town police conducted multiple operations arresting 10 suspects including 2 women. The arrested included Zubair, a wanted criminal in 4 cases, and Wasim, who was found in possession of 2 bottles of alcohol. Additionally, during a raid on the brothel operation under the guise of a guest house, police arrested Jabbar Aslam, Mubashir, Sagir, Kashif, Khalid, Sarish, and Shazia.